Check out this stainless pocket door sliding handle. It has a larger swing for easier grip and pull. It can also be installed upside down. You may install it in any way you think would be more convenient for you. Material is stainless. Size 98 millimeters by 19 millimeters. Thickness 2 millimeters. Screws are included. You may also pair this pocket door handle with our Corona sliding door lock. Shop now only at Magnificent Hardware.